My name is Yinka Adeboye. I work in banking. The service was referred to me by a friend who had been using your service for a while. For about 6 years now, 2015 I think, yes. It's a very comfortable and convenient product for me. I really don't have to do anything as long as once the power from the main switch is off, it goes on automatically, and it powers. I use it to power everything in the house except my ACs. If I depend completely 100% on the inverter, it takes 8 to 9 hours, and it powers everything. Yeah, except ACs, like I said. It's more about the stability of the power and the number of appliances I can plug into it. So it's very convenient, and since I started using it, I just never felt like I had no power issues. So I have power like all the time, and it powers everything I have that I need to power. Absolutely. But I'm sure you know that not only Nigeria has a problem with electricity, but yeah, it makes me feel like I have 24 hours electricity. I actually have 24 hours electricity. That's what it helps me do. Absolutely, it is, because it's stable. You won't have issues about low current, high current. It's just stable, and I feel very comfortable using it. Absolutely, I would. I've actually done so. Yes, absolutely. It does help to at least to provide me with that information, not just to wait for it to switch off by itself. So it provides me with that prompt. So it's been very useful. Apart from the quality of the product, their support system is also fantastic. Anytime I have to call them, maybe a sound is coming from somewhere I don't understand, they make themselves available at the very shortest notice. So that's one other part. Customer service is really top notch.
Contact Arnergy today and enjoy our reliable energy solution. Arnergy, delivering reliable energy solutions on your terms.